Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting to explore the world, we've got some fantastic tips to make your next adventure even more amazing. Ready to become a pro traveler in just 3 minutes? Let's dive right in and transform your travel game. First up, the golden rule of packing. This can make or break your travel experience. Always, and I mean always, pack light. It's not just about convenience, it's about freedom and ease. Think you need that extra pair of shoes? Think again. Less is more when it comes to travel. Stick to the essentials and roll your clothes to save space. This method not only saves room, but also keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. Trust me, your back will thank you later. A lighter load means more energy for exploring. Next, let's talk about flights. This is where your journey truly begins. Scoring cheap flights is an art. It requires a bit of strategy and patience. Use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. These tools can help you find the best deals and save a ton of money. And here's a pro tip: search for flights in incognito mode to avoid those sneaky price hikes. Airlines often track your searches and increase prices. Also, consider booking flights midweek. This can be a game changer for your budget. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are often the cheapest. You can save a significant amount by being flexible with your travel dates. Accommodation can make or break a trip. It's where you rest and recharge. Use platforms like Airbnb or Booking.com for great deals. These sites offer a wide range of options to suit any budget. But don't forget about hostels. They're not just for backpackers, they're budget-friendly and a fantastic way to meet fellow travelers. You can make lifelong friends and share travel tips. And always read reviews before booking. This can save you from unpleasant surprises and ensure a comfortable stay. You want to avoid any unpleasant surprises, right? Reviews can give you a real insight into what to expect. Now, on to the fun part, exploring. This is what travel is all about. Download offline maps before you go. This is a lifesaver when you don't have internet access. Google Maps lets you download areas and use them without data. It's super handy when you're off the grid. You'll never have to worry about getting lost, and don't be afraid to get lost. Some of the best adventures happen when you stray from the beaten path. Embrace the unexpected. Food is a huge part of travel. It's a window into the culture. Skip the tourist traps and eat where the locals eat. This is where you'll find the most authentic and delicious food. Street food is often delicious and cheap. It's a great way to try local flavors without breaking the bank. Plus, you get a real taste of the local culture. Food is a universal language that brings people together. Don't be shy to ask locals for recommendations. They know the best spots. Money matters, folks. Managing your finances wisely is crucial. Always carry a mix of cash and cards. This ensures you're prepared for any situation. And inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid any hiccups. You don't want your card to be blocked while you're abroad. Also, use apps like XE-currency to keep track of exchange rates. This helps you budget and avoid overspending. This way, you'll know exactly how much you're spending. Keeping track of your expenses is key to a stress-free trip. Travel insurance might seem like an unnecessary expense, but trust me, it's a lifesaver. It's better to be safe than sorry. You never know what might happen, and being prepared is key. It's peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Whether it's a medical emergency or a canceled flight, you'll thank yourself for having it. It can save you a lot of trouble and money. And lastly, be respectful and open-minded. This is perhaps the most important tip of all. Every culture has its own customs and traditions. Respecting them enriches your travel experience. Embrace them, and you'll have a richer travel experience. You'll learn and grow in ways you never imagined. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. A simple hello or thank you goes a long way. It shows respect and can open many doors. So there you have it. These tips will help you travel smarter and more efficiently. Master these hacks, and you'll be traveling like a pro in no time. Confidence and preparation are key. The world is out there waiting for you. So many places to see, so many experiences to have. Happy travels, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome travel tips. Stay tuned for more adventures. Catch you on the next adventure. Safe travels and happy exploring.